In this tutorial, we'll show you how you can streamline your warehouse workflow even more by quickly transferring items from bin to bin and from SKU to SKU simultaneously. The SKU-to-SKU transfer functionality is particularly useful for businesses that accept returns and deal with products that are no longer in their original condition. You can create new SKUs for returned items, such as iPhone used, and transfer the returned product to that SKU. This allows you to continue to track the original product and also sell the returned product as used on platforms like eBay and Backmarket. Skustack lets you create new SKUs on the fly using the scanner, making the process of managing returns faster and more efficient. The bin transfer functionality, on the other hand, offers remarkable versatility, serving a multitude of purposes. It allows the effortless movement of items between bins, easy relocation of items from primary to non-primary bins, and a seamless way to transition reserved items that await payment to a temporary storage bin. Here are the steps you need to follow to use the bin transfer and SKU-to-SKU transfer functions in Skustack for serialized products. First, you need to go into the Product tab. Tap the search icon and scan your product in. The system will fetch your product. From here, you can tap the Serials icon and select Manage Serials. Choose a serial number. Select Bin Transfer and choose the bin to which you want to transfer the item. Once you're done, tap Transfer. From here, you can also continue with the SKU-to-SKU transfer workflow. Simply tap the icon on the right, and search for or scan the SKU you want to transfer your product to. Then scan the bin where you're placing the item. Tap the transfer button on top, and you're done.